forgotten, dust-covered, left untouched for years. But every machine deserves one last chance. Today, we'll restore this old evaporative air cooler from the inside out. And by the end of this video, it may be impossible to recognize. Let's get started. Before any repair can begin, the entire housing has to come apart. Every screw removed brings us one step closer to uncovering what years of dust have been hiding. Cleaning isn't just about appearance. Dust trapped inside the airflow system can reduce efficiency, increase motor load, and shorten the lifespan of the entire machine. Cleaning isn't just about appearance. Dust trapped inside the airflow system can reduce efficiency, increase motor load, and shorten the lifespan of the entire machine. Now comes the most delicate part of the restoration. Every movement must be precise, because even the smallest mistake on the circuit board can create a much bigger problem than the original fault. With the control board back in place, every wire must be connected exactly as designed. At this stage, precision is everything. A single misplaced connector or a reversed wire could cause a short circuit, damage sensitive components, or even create a serious safety hazard. That's why every connection is checked twice before moving on. from a dirty, broken fan to a brand new look. Before the final test, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more DIY restorations. Now, let's turn it on.